We have two options: impact and motion detection, and impact plus time lapse. Impact plus time lapse will start recording continuously at 1 frame per second as soon as the vehicle enters the parking mode. It will save it in 5-minute files.
Starting parking recording.
The dashcam switches to the parking recording mode, and we'll see the time lapse right now. The impact and motion detection will start 10 seconds before and 20 seconds after the motion has been detected. When impact is detected in this mode, it will save 20-second videos after the impact. These two modes will actually perform differently if you choose the extreme low power mode. This is meant to reduce the drainage of the vehicle battery. In extremely low power mode, the impact plus time-lapse mode will only record once the impact happens. It will first record the 30-second video, then 1 frame per second time-lapse will continue for 100 seconds, and if another impact is detected within this period, the dashcam will record another 30-second video, and then the recording will stop until another impact. So like I said, it's a little bit tricky. In extremely low power mode, first I will turn off the power. Shortly the dashcam will switch into the parking mode.
Starting parking recording.
The parking recording has started, and now we have to wait until all LEDs will disappear, because in this mode, extremely low power mode, the dashcam goes into the sleep mode and will only react to the impact now, which we will simulate shortly. So it took the dashcam about a minute or so to enter the sleep mode. Now I'm going to simulate the impact. I will shake the vehicle, and as you guys can see, the LED switched to red. And right now the dashcam will record a 30-second video first, and then 1 FPS time lapse for 100 seconds. The impact and motion detection mode with extremely lower power mode being enabled will start recording for 30 seconds after the impact has been detected. If motion is detected within these 30 seconds, additional 30 seconds of video will be recorded. We are in extremely low power mode again. The power in vehicle is off and there are no lights on the dash cam. So right now we are testing the last motion impact plus motion detection mode in the extremely low power mode. So I will simulate the impact again, shake the car, and here comes the light, guys, and here comes the light, guys. So in this mode it will record 30-second videos after the impact has been detected, and it will record another 30 seconds if it senses the motion during the first 30 seconds. And then the lights in the dashcam will turn off again, therefore the power will be off. To sum it up, if you want to minimize the car battery drainage and maximize the duration of the parking mode, I would suggest to use the extreme low power mode. It will only record if there is an impact present, for example your vehicle gets hit in the parking lot. If you want to record everything that goes on around the vehicle at night, for example, I would choose the motion detection mode with battery cutoff set to around 12 volts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.